What is up, guys? I am outside after 3 months or 4 months. This is like my third time out within the 4 months of quarantine. This new norm that we have. So I'm wearing my mask. I'm waiting for my friends. We're gonna have a bike ride. We're gonna go to the Big Spoon apparently. So I'm just waiting. Update, guys. My friends are still not here. Waiting for them. This is the first time I'm seeing blue sky after I handed in my assignment. This is the first time I'm out after handing in my last assignment, and I'm so happy. They said 5 minutes ago. 20 minutes ago. Friends, where are you? Come quick. I feel lonely. Let's go. Finally!
I have other friends. Who you?
Blimey heck, me! I generally thought it was gonna be cold.
It is boiling.
I'm so hot.
Aloha.
I miss you guys. I've never been here before. I don't know where she's taking us. Ah! Whew. Going quite fast. Controlling my bike by one hand is really hard. Ah! I'm gonna go before I crash somewhere. Okay, bye. We haven't even doing this for like 10 minutes and we're here already. The Big Spoon. I did not realize it was 5 minutes away from my house. Wow. Okay. I did not know that. Just fields around me and there's me. Oh no. Oh, oh, oh.
Get stuck. Go to Katie's and I'll pick you up. It's probably go that way. It's a wider path, so if we're gonna attempt social distancing, I mean we're having to. There's always time to start. There is. Let's go.
Lead the way. I have no idea where we are. Oh, these are cornfields. They're speeding. Need to catch up. Oh god. Oh my bum. It's so bumpy here. So nice though. My friends are leaving me. I have no idea where we are. No clue. No idea. I'm coming. I'm coming, sweetie. Oh, shiz. Okay. Smooth like a baby's bottom.
Nani?
My friends are leaving me. My God, slow down.
It was at this moment that Sheaf knew. She fucked up.
Man down. I'm okay. I'm okay. I might not film while riding my bike again because I just fell. Oh, that really hurt. Okay, bye. Struggle. Wow. Social distancing. Still, guys. Yeah. It is.
The 19th of June 2020.
Yeah.
Wednesday.
The laws has been eased down a bit.
4,360. 27. No, not 27 hours. I'm making it random this one. But the house was 4,340. Is it? Yeah. There's a little fly thing on the... Is that what? Is that a
How was that bike ride?
You know, it wasn't that bad.
It was really pretty.
I was flying at one point. See?
Yeah.
Do you remember when I went?
I was always the last one.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if I needed it. I did it fast. I was like, clean anyone.
I didn't put sunscreen today actually. Because I didn't realize it was gonna be sunny.
Well, neither did I.
That's why I was wearing a jumper.
I've been very easy.
Yeah.
I've been through factor 50.
Did you know? Do you know what's even funnier? I tanned way faster here in the UK than in Spain. I have 3 shades. There's 3 shades on my leg. You can see it. I was sitting outside to doing my dissertation. I went back in just to have a shower, and I realized how dark I got. In Spain, remember, I was.
Out in the UK than Spain.
Yeah. Yeah, I tan better here than Spain. Remember when we went to Spain? I didn't tan compared to Tambi.
Only because I did.
I didn't tan at all.
I have to shave myself so I don't burn, so I come back from Spain looking the same as I do now.
Thank you, Katie.
You have to go first.
Go, Katie. Oh, I have to go. And the weather has changed. It's gone cold. And I have to tackle this. I don't know how I'm gonna go through it. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna fall. Okay, bye. Man down. This is so hard. This is so dangerous. There it is. Hello, spoons. I kind of want to take a picture. I want to take a picture. Wow, this massive spoon. Here we are again. Picture right now. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Ow! Am I in it? Just listening to. Whoa, so close. Yeah, it is.
It's called like Eat for England.
Heathrow?
Eat for England.
Eat for England.
Yeah.
Why? Oh.
If it was Eat for England, I'd understand.